The honorary degree will now be conferred. To present the honorary degree candidate, Mr. Alan Twigg, I am pleased to welcome Ms. Gwen Bird. Gwen Bird has been University Librarian and Dean of Libraries at SFU since 2014. She is Chair of the Scholars and Scholarship Committee at the Association of Research Libraries, Co-Chair of the Coalition Publica Steering Committee, and a past member of the boards of the Canadian Research Knowledge Network and the Canadian Association of Research Libraries. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Bird.
Madam Chancellor, I present to you a champion of our province's literary world, Alan Twigg, who has made an immense contribution to the promotion of BC literature and authors. A fifth-generation British Columbian, Mr. Twigg dropped out of SFU with high marks after 2 semesters in order to concentrate on writing, while working as a garbage truck driver in the early 70s. As a man of free intelligence, he proceeded to write and publish his own free and widely read newspaper, BC Book World, in 1987, and its later online companion publications, BC Book Look and ABC Book World. That latter, initially hosted by SFU Library, is for and about more than 12,500 BC authors. Mr. Twigg has also created or co-created most of the province's major literary awards, such as the BC Book Prizes and the George Woodcock Lifetime Achievement Award. All his creations continue to flourish. In his spare time, he has written 20 books, including his latest title, Out of Hiding, Holocaust Literature of British Columbia. He also produced 10 documentaries and made websites for 4 friends, Leonard Cohen, World War II hero Rudolf Verba, an African priest in Tanzania, and the great Vancouver humanitarian Joseph Wask. A keen promoter of literary diversity since 1987, he built the Indigenous Literary Map of British Columbia, highlighting the work of more than 200 Indigenous authors. Mr. Twigg was on the founding board of SFU's Canadian Centre for Studies in Publishing and served as a Shadbolt Fellow at SFU in 2007. He is a member of the Order of Canada and received the Lieutenant Governor's Award for Literary Excellence. And lest we think him rather too bookish, I'll mention that he also won a gold medal for Canada in over 50s soccer at the World Masters Games in Turin, Italy in 2013. Madam Chancellor, Alan Twigg has been a champion of BC culture for more than 5 decades. He has buoyed an entire industry and helped to elevate and celebrate the soul of our province. For his many accomplishments, I ask that you now confer upon him the degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa.
It's all right. We'll shake your hand first, right? And then you stand right there. Alan Twigg, by virtue of the authority vested in me and the Senate of this university, I hereby admit you to the degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa. Congratulations. Alan Twigg will be hooded by Dr. Elizabeth Ellie, Vice Provost and Associate Vice President, Learning and Teaching, and Mr. Tom Nault, University Registrar and Executive Director, Student Enrollment. Congratulations, Dr. Twigg.